In the realm of the Himalayas so grand lies a valley of enchantment, Kashmir land. A paradise on earth where nature's beauty shines, a place where heart and soul entwine. Snow-capped mountains and green valleys wide, a landscape that takes your breath and leaves you inside. The scent of pine and apple blossoms in the air invigorates your senses beyond compare. A land of warm hospitality and rich cultural heritage. Kashmir's stories whispered in every stage. A place where traditions blend with modern charm. A destination that disarms and keeps you warm. The sound of the river, the wind's gentle sway, lulls you into a trance in Kashmir's majestic way. In Aru Valley's lush meadows, where wildflowers sway, a hidden gem awaits in Kashmir's majestic way. The snow-capped peaks of Kolahoi stand guard with grace, as the valley's serenity fills every corner of the space. A journey to remember, a tale to share. Kashmir, a treasure trove beyond compare.